Now my wife purchased this for me for Christmas. It's to replace my old one. The battery had run out. This one here is really good, but let me show you a serious problem that I found, and rather embarrassing when it actually happened. If you look carefully at, let me take it out of its case, and it comes with a nice case. Here it is here. As you can see, I've used it. Now, the old one, this part here, you simply replace it to give you the different cutting sizes. This one is good. It has these numbers. You can see as I turn it, it comes out there. Now the problem is, which I got caught out a few days ago, is that I normally set it to 2.5, sometimes 3, and that does for my beard. But for somehow, it's actually gone down to 1. Now, of course, I didn't check that at the time, and I just carried on cutting, not realising that within one stroke that I had cut it at 1 instead of my 2.5 to 3. So, unfortunately, I then had to continue on my 1 and just simply have a much smaller beard than I normally have. So basically check that prior to cutting your beard, trimming. Make sure it's set to the one you want, otherwise you might get caught out. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.